Much. Even you yourself is made of atoms. But what exactly is an atom? An atom is the smallest unit of matter that makes up everything in the universe. Think of atoms like the building blocks of absolutely everything. They are so tiny that millions of them could fit on the tip of a pin. Now let's break down what an atom actually looks like. At the center of every atom is something called the nucleus. The nucleus contains two types of particles, protons and neutrons. Protons have a positive charge. Neutrons have no charge, they are neutral. Together, protons and neutrons make up almost all of the atom's mass. Now, orbiting around the nucleus are tiny particles called electrons. Electrons have a negative charge. They move incredibly fast, almost at the speed of light. So, to recap, the nucleus is in the center and electrons orbit around it. Um, but here's the crazy part. How small are atoms really? A single strand of human hair is about 1 million carbon atoms wide. If you could line up atoms like beads, you would need 10 million of them to stretch 1 millimeter. If an atom were the size of a football stadium, the nucleus would be like a marble in the center. That means atoms are mostly empty space. In fact, if you removed all the empty space from all the atoms in every human on Earth, we would all fit into a sugar cube. So why do atoms matter so much? Because everything in the universe is made up of different combinations of atoms. Different atoms combine to form different elements. Hydrogen, oxygen, carbon, gold, iron. Every element is just atoms arranged differently. When you drink water, you are drinking hydrogen and oxygen atoms bonded together. When you breathe air, you are breathing in nitrogen and oxygen atoms. Your phone, your food, your body, all made of atoms. Now let's talk about some fun facts about atoms. The atoms in your body are billions of years old. Some of them came from stars that exploded before our solar system even existed. You are literally made of stardust. Atoms are virtually indestructible. They have been recycled over and over again for billions of years. The same atoms that were once in a dinosaur could now be in you. Electrons do not actually orbit like planets. They exist in a cloud of probability. Scientists cannot predict exactly where an electron is, only where it is likely to be. If you could remove all the empty space from atoms in your body, you would be smaller than a grain of salt. So let's do a quick recap. Atoms are the building blocks of everything. They have a nucleus made of protons and neutrons with electrons orbiting around. They are incredibly tiny and mostly empty space. And they make up literally everything you see, touch, and are. So next time you look at anything, remember it's all just atoms dancing together. Now here's a question to think about. If atoms are mostly empty space, why can't you walk through walls?